So, the collocation, make a difference, can have multiple meanings, such as encouraging a charitable or great change in a way of life. This collocation would be helpful in emphasizing the importance of an action. Other collocations you can use with make are make an appointment, make breakfast, make a telephone call. Next, the phrasal verb turn up can also mean to increase the sound or music. Such as turn the music up. Turn up can be matched with objects, people, animals, and mostly any nouns. Turn also has other particles and prepositions it could be coupled with, such as turn around, turn away, turn down. Finally, the idiom, hang in there, is extremely useful and common in all aspects of life, whether it is taking an exam or experiencing a difficult challenge. Hang in there is a very useful way to show support and acknowledgement of the difficulty at hand.